We begin with setting realistic goals. It's crucial to remember that weight loss isn't merely about the number on the scale. Consider goals that enhance overall health, like boosting energy levels, improving sleep quality, and increasing confidence. Next, we discuss balanced nutrition. To lose weight healthily, consume a variety of whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. This ensures your body gets all the essential nutrients it needs. Thirdly, we touch on the importance of portion control. Be aware of the size of your portions and avoid eating without paying attention. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness signals and aim to eat until you're satisfied, not stuffed. Hydration comes next. Drinking plenty of water aids in toxin removal, digestion, and can even help control your appetite. So keep that water bottle handy. Exercise plays a pivotal role in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Find enjoyable activities, be it jogging, swimming, yoga, or dancing, and make them a regular part of your routine. Remember, consistency is key. Mindful eating is another crucial aspect of healthy weight loss. Pay attention to your food choices, chew slowly, and savor each bite. Avoid distractions like TV or your phone while eating, as these can lead to overeating. Getting adequate sleep is not to be overlooked. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night and maintain a consistent sleep schedule to optimize your body's natural rhythms. Managing stress effectively is the final step. Chronic stress can hinder your weight loss efforts by causing emotional eating and disrupting hormone balance. Incorporate stress-reducing techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. To sum up, remember that healthy weight loss is a journey, not a destination. Focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes that boost your overall health and well-being. Be patient, remain consistent, and most importantly, be kind to yourself along the way. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll meet you in the next video.